Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English podcast. I am Ashley, and I am so glad you are here with us today.
And I am Jack. Hi, everyone. Great to have you back for another episode.
This podcast is for English beginners. We speak slowly, and we use simple words so you can follow along easily.
And remember, if you do not understand everything, that is completely fine. Just rewind and listen again. Every time you listen, you learn a little more.
Okay, Jack, what are we talking about today?
Today, we talk about something really important: friendship, and specifically, how to be a better friend.
Oh, I love this topic. I think friendship is one of the most important things in life.
Yes, and sometimes we take our friends for granted. We forget to really be there for them.
That is so true. Life gets busy, and we forget to put effort into our friendships.
So, Ashley, what do you think makes a good friend?
For me, the most important thing is that a good friend is there for you when things are hard, not just when everything is fun and easy.
Yes, anyone can be your friend when life is good, but a real friend shows up when you are going through something difficult.
Exactly. And that connects to our first word today: support. Tell us about support, Ashley. To support someone means to help them and be there for them. You show them they are not alone. You give them strength when they need it. Like when your friend is going through a hard time and you call them, you check on them, you listen to them. That is support. Exactly. So you can say something like, "My friends always support me when I have a problem." My friends always support me when I have a problem.
Or you can say, it is important to support the people you love.
It is important to support the people you love. You know, I think support does not always have to be big. Sometimes just sending a message to say, "I am thinking of you," that is support too.
Yes, small things matter so much. A short message, a phone call, showing up with food when someone is sad.
Showing up with food is always a good idea.
Always. Food makes everything better.
Okay, and our second word is connected to support. The word is honest.
Oh, yes. This is a really important one for friendship.
Honest means you tell the truth. You do not lie, even when the truth is difficult or uncomfortable.
A good friend tells you the truth, even when it is hard to hear. They do not just tell you what you want to hear.
Yes, a friend who only says nice things is not always helping you. Sometimes you need someone to tell you the real truth.
So you can say something like, "A good friend is always honest with you."
A good friend is always honest with you.
Or, "I appreciate when my friends are honest with me."
But there is a difference between being honest and being unkind. You can tell the truth in a gentle way.
Yes, honest does not mean harsh. You can be honest and still be kind about how you say it. Exactly. It is about how you say things, not just what you say.
A good friend thinks about your feelings, even when they tell you a hard truth.
Okay, everyone, quick break here. If you are enjoying this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
It is completely free, and every like and subscribe really helps other people find us. Thank you so much if you do that.
Okay, Let's continue with word number 3. And this one is really fundamental to any friendship.
What is it?
The word is trust. Trust means you believe in someone. You know they are reliable. You know they will not let you down, and they will keep your secrets.
Like, you can tell your friend something private, and you know they will not tell other people. That is trust.
And trust takes time to build. You cannot trust someone immediately. It grows slowly as you get to know them.
Yes, trust is built through small moments over time. Every time a friend keeps their promise, trust grows a little more.
So you can say something like, I trust my best friend completely.
I trust my best friend completely.
Or, friendship without trust is very difficult.
I think trust is also about feeling safe. When you trust someone, you feel safe to be yourself around them.
Yes, you do not have to pretend or hide things. You can just be you.
And that is such a special feeling, to have people in your life where you can just be yourself completely.
Those friendships are really precious. Not everyone has them, and it is important to take care of them.
Okay, word number 4. And this one sounds simple, but it is actually not so easy. The word is listen.
Oh, yes. Listening is harder than people think.
To listen means to really pay attention when someone is talking. Not just hear the words, but actually focus on what they are saying and how they are feeling.
Because there is a difference between hearing and listening. Hearing is just the sound. Listening is when you really pay attention and try to understand.
Yes, and a lot of people are not really listening. They are waiting for their turn to talk.
That is so true. I am sometimes guilty of that. I am already thinking of what I want to say next.
We all do it. But a good friend really listens. They give you their full attention.
So you can say something like, my friend always listens when I need to talk.
My friend always listens when I need to talk.
Or sometimes people just need you to listen, not give advice.
Sometimes people just need you to listen, not give advice. That last one is really important, I think. Sometimes when a friend comes to you with a problem, they do not want you to solve it. They just want to feel heard.
Yes. Before you give advice, always ask, do you want advice or do you just need to talk?
Such a simple question, but it makes such a big difference.
It really does. It shows you respect what they need in that moment.
And our last word today is a beautiful one. The word is appreciate.
Oh, I love this word.
To appreciate someone means to feel grateful for them. You recognize how important they are in your life, and you value them.
Like when you think about your friend and you feel happy and grateful that they are in your life, that is appreciation.
And it is important to tell people you appreciate them. Not just feel it inside, but actually say it.
So you can say something like, I really appreciate you. Thank you for always being there.
I really appreciate you. Thank you for always being there.
Or, I do not say it enough, but I appreciate your friendship so much.
I do not say it enough, but I appreciate your friendship so much.
You know, Jack, I think sometimes we forget to tell people how much they mean to us. We assume they know.
Yes, we think they know, but we never actually say it. And hearing it makes such a difference.
So today, after this podcast, Maybe send a message to a friend and tell them you appreciate them.
Yes, just a simple message. Hey, I just wanted to say I appreciate you. That can really make someone's day.
Such a small thing, but it means so much to receive.
Okay, everyone, let's do our recap. 5 words from today.
Number 1, support. To help someone and be there for them. My friends always support me when I have a problem.
Support. My friends always support me when I have a problem.
Number 2, honest. You tell the truth, even when it is hard. A good friend is always honest with you.
Honest. A good friend is always honest with you.
Number 3, trust. You believe someone is reliable and will not let you down. I trust my best friend completely.
Trust. I trust my best friend completely.
Number 4, listen. To really pay attention when someone is talking. My friend always listens when I need to talk.
Listen. My friend always listens when I need to talk.
And number 5, appreciate. To feel grateful for someone and value them. I really appreciate you. Thank you for always being there.
Appreciate.
I really appreciate you. Thank you for always being there.
5 really beautiful words today, and all about something that matters so much in life: the people around us.
Your homework today is this. Think of one friend who means a lot to you and send them a message today. Tell them something you appreciate about them. In English, if you can.
And write in the comments, what do you think is the most important quality in a friend? Tell us in English. Just one sentence is perfect.
And remember, if you did not understand everything, that is completely okay. Just go back and listen again. You are doing really well just by being here.
If you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast. It really helps us reach more people.
Thank you so much for listening today. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye, everyone. Take care.